Good morning, children. English time. We are going to see some English lesson today. Interesting English lesson today. Miss Juna has already taken you through the alphabet, the sound last week, right? In the previous video, you saw Miss Juno telling you about Remember? And she also told you how to trace it. Hope you all practiced your Santa without any naughtiness, without being naughty. Yes? We have told your mama clearly. If they are naughty and if they are not playing with it, well and good. Let them continue practicing in their Santa. If they are naughty and if they are playing with it, you have asked them to grab it from you and keep it away. You want that to happen? No, right? Then keep practicing, okay? Just trace the sound alone and say Shall we see how to trace this one? I mean, trace in the sandpaper letter. Shall we start? Okay, starting from here, go down and two hums. Shall we do it again? A standing line and two hums. Okay. We'll see some pictures. Miss Juno showed you last week. Are you all able to see the pictures? Remember? Okay. So this is mushroom. Are you able to hear the sound in the beginning, in the end as well? Mushroom. ஆரம்பத்திலையும் கேட்குது கடைசிலையும் கேட்குதா mushroom. Monkey. Monkey. Mop. Milkshake. Yummy milkshake. Mask. Mango. Mat. Moon. கேக்குதா? Money. Money is inside the purse. Money. Milk. Mug. So, these are some of the words. இன்னும் என்ன சொல்லலாம்? Wherever you hear the sound, when we say mummy or mother, you call your mother mummy? Are you able to hear the sound? Mummy. Mother. Then morning. You say good morning. Morning. Then what else? Mosquito. Yes. Mosquito. Mosquito. Then mat. That we saw here. Mat. We saw mat. Then your mother wipes the floor. Mop. Right? Then magic. Magic. Then not many of you would have heard, but you would have heard, some of you would have heard about magazines. Magazines, the books that come to your house, right? Like newspapers. Magazines. Then you have mountains. Mountains. Then yummy. When you say yummy, are you able to hear the sound? Then ma'am. You call somebody ma'am. Ma'am. Dam. Then drum. Sound கேக்குதா? Then yam. Then munch. Munch means chewing and eating something. Munching. வாயில வச்சு நம்ம கடிச்சு சாப்பிடுறது is called as a munching. Munch. So now what I want you to do is, as usual, go around your house and look out for sound. Okay? Then we are going to see some objects in the object box. Medal. You win You participate in a running race and you win the game, you win the race. They give you this, right? That is called as a medal. Then you have a matchbox. 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 Okay. Then you have a mirror. Are you all able to see Miss Juno in the mirror? Okay. Mirror. Okay. Then you have mango. Your favorite, right? Mango. Are you all able to see it clearly? Okay. So shall we sing a song? Song. Okay, are you all ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Miss Juno, please join us. Mom and the dad make many meals. Mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Oh, that's nice, right? We'll sing it once more. Okay. We'll sing it one more time. The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Wow, that's nice. You also practice singing this song and you'll enjoy. You'll also get the sound. So now it's time for us to trace. What do you see here? This is a picture of a mop. Drawing of a mop. Mop sollumbodhu sound kekkuda. Mop. Then this is mat. Mat. So now what we are going to do is we are going to trace. Are you all ready? Okay. Standing line, 2 humps. Standing line, 2 humps. We'll do it one more time. Standing line and 2 humps. So now we learned how to trace. So it's workbook time now. The page number that we are going to work on is 20 to 22 and the homework will be for tomorrow, 6/10/2020. Go to page number 20. Are you all able to see the picture of a monkey here? Monkey. Monkey. Trace and you have also been given place to trace and don't forget to write it all by yourself here. Okay. Are you all able to see here? I'll do one for you because the has to be within these 2 lines. It should not cross the line. It should not come out of the line. Okay? I'll do one for you. Standing line, 2 humps. This has to be within these 2 lines. Idu taandi velila varakudadu. Okay? Okay. See here also. Standing line and 2 humps. Clear? Okay. Go to page number 21 and are you able to see here the pictures of mango, monkey, mouse, moon? These pictures have the beginning sound. Their beginning sounds are mango, monkey, mouse, moon. So what you will do is you will keep practicing the sound and you will color these pictures. And turn to page number 22 and what do you see here? We have done these similar kinds of exercises earlier, right? You have to identify the picture and write the beginning sound here. What is this? I have already drawn this picture on the board. This is the picture of a mop. Mop. So this is the picture of a mop. Mop. Are you able to hear the sound? Mop. So now what will you do here is, this is mop and you will write here. I'll do the first one for you. Standing line, 2 humps, and you have to do it within the line. You should not cross those lines. Mop. Mop. Op, mop. We'll do the next one. What is this? This is a map. Map. You will write here. Map. Map. You will also trace all these things. Then you have a man. 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 Then you have a mat. 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 So you will write and trace the rest. So now, see, for example, map. After you trace, write here, blend and read confidently. See, map. 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 Right? And man. Man. Okay? Then you have mat. Mat. Slowly start reading, start blending and reading. You will be able to pick it up. Now, we saw the workbook exercises. Tomorrow, open your homework and go to the page that has the date 6/10/2020 and you will trace and write While tracing these sounds, also say mouse, moon, man, monkey, mango. Okay? So, pre-mon children, you will open your notebook and open the page that has this cute mouse picture. Mouse is very cute, isn't it? Yes. So now what you will do, you will take out your crayon box and trace a rainbow. Okay? See, this mouse is hiding the actually. You will write a standing line. You will draw a standing line and 2 humps. It's okay, you draw this line, you draw the standing line on the mouse. Go over it. Okay, draw a standing line and 2 humps. Okay, take 1 color each and practice every single time saying Then go to the next page. You will identify and circle I'll do one for you. Here is this. So, do for the rest of the exercise. Turn to the next page and are you all able to see the pictures of a mango, monkey, mouse, moon, which has the beginning sound which begins with So you will say mango and you will color mango. Mouse, color the mouse. Monkey, color the monkey. Moon, color the moon. Okay? So, enjoy tracing. I'll meet you in another video. Until then, bye.